Top 5 Roku Secrets. Boost your streaming experience. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Truth Reviews. If you own a Roku device, you might think you already know everything it can do. But Roku has several hidden features that can make your streaming experience faster, smarter, and more enjoyable. In today's video, I'll reveal the top 5 Roku secrets that every Roku user should know. Let's get started. Secret number 1, enable bandwidth saver. Our number 1 Roku secret is bandwidth saver. Go to Settings, Network, Bandwidth Saver. When enabled, Roku automatically stops streaming after 4 hours of inactivity. This can help reduce unnecessary data usage, especially if you have limited internet bandwidth. It's a simple setting that can save a surprising amount of data over time. Secret number 2, use voice search like a pro. If your Roku remote supports voice control, you can quickly search for movies, actors, genres, or TV shows. Instead of typing with the on-screen keyboard, simply press the voice button and say, "Open YouTube," "Find action movies," "Launch Netflix." Voice search saves time and helps you find content much faster. Secret number 3, customize your home screen. Many users don't realize they can remove unwanted channels and simplify their Roku interface. Highlight any app or channel, press the star, asterisk symbol, button on your remote, and choose Remove App. You can also rearrange channels by selecting Move App. Place your favorite streaming services like Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, or Prime Video at the top for faster access. A cleaner home screen means a better streaming experience. Secret number 4, restart your Roku without unplugging it. If your Roku feels slow or apps keep freezing, you don't need to unplug it. Go to Settings, System, Power, System Restart. A quick restart can solve many performance issues and help apps run more smoothly. It's one of the easiest ways to keep your Roku performing at its best. Secret number 5, use private listening. Did you know you can listen to your TV audio through your smartphone? Simply download the Roku mobile app on your Android or iPhone. Connect it to the same Wi-Fi network as your Roku device, and tap the headphone icon. Now you can enjoy movies, TV shows, and sports without disturbing anyone around you. This feature is perfect for late-night streaming sessions or shared living spaces. Conclusion: those were the top 5 Roku secrets that can instantly improve your streaming experience. Whether it's private listening, voice search, home screen customization, or bandwidth saving, these hidden features can help you get more from your Roku device. Which Roku secret was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Truth Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest Roku tips, streaming guides, and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.